Hi guys, it's Chef Aviv here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to cook a delicious salmon and a nice broccolini dish on the side. Alright guys, I have two beautiful salmon fillet here. I'm just gonna treat it a very simple way. We're gonna put salt and pepper on both sides. Always make sure your pan is hot before you put the oil. You don't want to burn the oil. Let's put some olive oil and let's start cooking. Okay guys, the secret behind a perfect crispy skin of salmon, you always have to remember to cook on medium-low heat. You want to cook through the skin all the way to the middle of the fish, almost like 70% of cooking. Here we have the fish cooked about 7 minutes. Let's flip it. As you can see, we have beautiful, nice crispy skin. Let's pop it in the oven, 400 degree, for about 5 minutes. Let's move to this delicious side for the salmon. Big pan. Here we have some half white onion, diced sliced garlic, black olives, cherry tomato, half a lemon, and some fresh broccolini. Salt, pepper, and olive oil. First of all, let's put olive oil in the pan. You're gonna start saute onion and garlic for a couple of minutes. As you can see, we have a nice golden color of the onion. Now we're gonna add the broccolini. The cherry tomato. And the black olives. Let's cook it on medium for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have steamed the broccolini. The cherry tomato release a little bit of their juice. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, and some juice from a half a lemon. If you like spicy, chili flakes is a fantastic addition for this dish. Alright guys, moment of truth. We're gonna plate the dish. Here I have the salmon. Here I made a squash, roasted in the oven and made a puree. Here I have the broccolini. Let's plate it. I'm gonna take a spoon of this nice orange puree. I'm gonna put the broccolini on top of this puree. And this beautiful tomato, olive oil, lemon juice on top, and this nice crispy salmon. Of course, we're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil just to refresh it. That looks so delicious. I'm Chef Aviv. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.